The marking knife is by far the most used tool in my shop, and I use it for more than just marking. Don't be afraid to use it like a knife. So for these dovetails, I know that my saw needs to hit these corners, so what I like to do is make that corner a little bit deeper. You can also use it to help you clear out the corners of dovetails. No, ignore my messy dovetails. I'm not a pro at them, but you can take them and boom, clean the corner. I think that was off camera. Like that, there you go. Clean the corners out. Yeah, so don't be afraid to use it like a knife. I lost track there.